YouTubers, Mike here from One for All. So my KLE needs a chain tension work. What are we using? Pliers and some wrenches. First we take this. This prevents the nuts from rotating. Then we take this. Let's give it a crack. We don't have to unscrew it all. Okay. Just enough to loosen the tensioner screws here, so we can pull the wheel back and give some tension to the wheel. So I'm just giving some slack here on the axle. One thing very important you have to do, you have to check the whole length of the chain to check if there are places where the tension is bigger than on the other. So let me explain how I do it. Okay, so this is the tension now. Okay, see? Doesn't need that much of a tension, but since I'm doing a big trip on this Saturday, well, I don't want to run any risks because it will be getting even more slack, so I'm preventing that. Oh, thank you so much, security. Yeah, you need to be quiet. I'm doing some footage here, okay? Wanna help? Wanna help? Shut up. So, when the tension is like this, I will have to rotate the wheel just a little bit and check it again. Okay, it's the same. She seems to be pretty much the same slack all around. I already cleaned the other one on the other side, so I'm cleaning the existing mark. If you pay attention, in here we have a scale, see? And this mark must be go that way, and I'll know another. I'll have to put it on the same mark both sides. So let's give it a crack. Look how the mark is about to go the other way. Here we go. Look at the tension, already different. A little bit more. See the mark moving. She started on this mark, and then that spot just went the other way. Since I'm a heavy dude, I'm not putting the tension in a normal way, because I must do the math with my own weight on my KLE. So considering my weights, I'll be putting, as she runs with 2 persons, this is the acceptable slack, because when I mount my KLE, she'll be going down and the tension will be gone. What happened now? The wheel just moved to one side, and it's not lined with the front wheel, so you're gonna have to give some tension on the other screws to put the wheel right on the spot. This mark is here, the spot. See over there? It needs to go here, from here to here. Let's see. There she goes. Oh, she already moved. There we go. Let's check the chain tension again. Yep. It seems leveled. The wheel looks straight. Alright, just check it from every possible angle so you can be sure not to run a twisted rear wheel. All the way around. let's check if this fits. Okay, please won't let that one here and the other one here. Okay, so we're done. Tension is done. Looks easy. Well, it is.